What's up guys, welcome to this new video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at AdSense ads on Google Sites. Is it possible for you to add AdSense ads on your Google site? So that's what we're going to be looking at, and I'm going to also show you ways you can monetize your Google site. Okay, so if you have Google site just like I do, I have so many Google sites, you can monetize them, and I'm going to show you how. So make sure to watch this video to the end to get the information. Now before I dive straight into the video, I want to tell you that this video I made here over a year ago now, AdSense ads on Google sites, did well. So I actually explained everything detailed. Okay, so if you haven't watched this video, you can go ahead to watch this video. I actually talked about a lot of things on the video. It's called AdSense ads on Google site. So I'm kind of making the video again, showing you some updates, and so you can get up to speed. Okay, so is it possible to show AdSense ads on Google sites? Okay, so if you have a Google site just like I do, can you show AdSense? Can you monetize it with AdSense? So let's take it. So for example, if I go ahead to open one of my Google sites right now, let me scroll down here. Okay, let me go ahead to open one of my Google sites. So let's say I open this site right now. Yeah, and I published this site. I just set this site up for tutorial, and when I was making my tutorial. Okay, so yeah, so this is the site right now. Very beautiful site looking, and everything is detailed, and everything is in place. So now, can I monetize this website with Google site? Now the short answer to that is no. Okay, but I can actually monetize this site. Okay, I'm going to show you how. Now to answer your question in general, you need to keep watching this video as well, because I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to tell you the final answer and show you some ways as well. So right now this is a website, and I have text here, videos there and there. This is the complete site, and yeah, this site is published, is live, and I also connected a custom domain name to the site. If you don't know how to, I already made a video how to connect a custom domain name to your Google site. You can check that out. And this site has Google Pixels, so you can actually watch this video how to add Google Pixels to your Google site. You can watch this video and know it. Okay, so now, can I monetize this site that I just created with Google Sites? No, I can't do that with Google Sites. Now why? Because if you go over here to your AdSense account, okay, can I monetize that website with AdSense? No. If you go over here to your AdSense account right now, if you click on sites, that is where you are going to be adding your website. You need to add a site. So if you click on add a site, you are going to enter the URL of the site. Let's say you have connected a custom domain to your site, you will need to enter the site URL here, right? So after entering the site URL, you need to verify you are the owner of the site. So Google AdSense is going to send you is going to show you a code and ask you to paste the code to your website. So now they're going to ask you to paste it to the header of your website. So as you can see right here, there is no header. There's no way to access the HTML of this website. You can't paste that code on this Google site. Google site doesn't allow you to have access to the HTML codes or the CSS codes of this website. So there's no way to add the code, and since you're unable to add the code to this website, therefore technically you can't use it with AdSense, because that is the only way they can verify you own the site. Okay, that is the only way Google can verify you own the site. So that way you can add any AdSense to this Google site. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So what if you, except you have a way to reach out to AdSense and try and they to provide you another way to verify your website, which I don't think it's possible. Okay, that's the only way you can add and verify this website. Now once you verify the site, it's easy, but since you can't verify it, there's no way to add AdSense ads on the website, because the website needs to undergo some verification. Google needs to make sure, okay, it's yours, and also check if it's worthy enough to be monetized, if the contents, if they're okay with it, if it abides by their rules and everything. So there's a whole lot of stuff that have to go with it. So ads on Google sites, no, you can have AdSense ads on Google site as of the time I'm making this video. So it can actually change later on, but as of the time I'm making this video, no, you can have AdSense ads on Google site. But you can also monetize using several other ways. Okay, you can also monetize your AdSense account using several ways. Now, one of the ways you can monetize your AdSense accounts is through affiliate marketing. Now, you can just go to platforms like Jumia affiliates. I just use Jumia. You can search for any product online, whether physical or digital, and sign up for the affiliates program. So let's say, for example, any product you use. Okay, so let me say let me talk about Namecheap. If you go to the footer of the website, you are going to find their affiliate program. Okay, now you can join that and you can use it to make money online. So if you go to this Jumia affiliate program, you can join. As you can see here, join to earn commission. So whenever there are sales, you can have commission. So this is Jumia. For Jumia, you can search up the one for Konga, you can search up the one for Amazon, depending on whichever one you want to use. So you can promote products from those platforms to your audience on Google Sites, and then you can make money. So that is how you monetize Google Sites. Okay, so if you are having if you want to monetize Google Site again, you can also sell courses. As you can see here, this website is all about e-commerce masterclass. It's a course, just a mini course demo that I created, so people can purchase this and pay you. Another way to monetize Google Sites is creating e-commerce website to your Google site. I've showed you exactly how to do that in this video, how to create a free online store with Google Sites. These are ways you can monetize your Google site. Okay, so to answer the long question, AdSense ads on Google Sites, no, you can't have AdSense ads on Google site because you don't have access to the HTML or the code of the website. Okay, so some of you might be asking me, what do you mean by I don't have access to the HTML and the code of the website? Now let me show you what I mean. Okay, let me go to blogger.com. So this is a free blogging platform, right? If I go over to this section called themes, okay, let me show you exactly what I mean by the code. So with this blogger, you can actually monetize blogger as well, because it allows you to access the HTML code of the website. So if I click on edit HTML right now, you are going to see what the website is made of. These are the codes, right? So I have access to the website code. Yeah, as you can see, the same thing as WordPress. With WordPress, you have access to the code of your website. You can modify it, you can add codes anywhere here. So any website that gives you access to this can be monetized using Google Sites. Okay, but anyone which you don't have access to something like this, you can't monetize using Google Sites, because you actually need something like this. They are going to ask you to place the code in the header section. If you scroll down here, yeah, this is the header section, so you need to paste in the code, and yeah, they will go through their verification and verify you are the owner. Then they can now go ahead to verify if the website is up to standard with what their ad policy is. Okay, so yeah, that is Google Sites. So with Google Sites, you just have access to drag and drop things, so you don't have access to the codes and those things that I showed you earlier on. So AdSense ads on Google Sites, no, but you can monetize using affiliate marketing, selling your own courses, your own products, your own digital products, selling your own physical product, e-commerce website on Google Sites. These are the ways you monetize. Okay, if this video was helpful, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, like the video. I'm so happy I shared the video with you guys. Okay, so watch out, stick around, watch out for my next videos, which you're gonna enjoy, I'm sure of. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much.